Coming soon, The Compressor Guru, a new channel that will help you with your air compressor needs. We are planning episode 1 for June 1st, 2020. Bud is the compressor guru, and we'll go over the 5 most common mistakes made when running compressed air lines. Future episodes will be on compressor rebuilds, compressor repairs, maintenance and service, air tools, and accessories. The Compressor Guru has over 40 years of experience in the field and is willing to share it with you. Hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell to know when each new episode is released from The Compressor Guru.